Hello my lovelies, I hope you guys are all doing well today. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and to my oldies but goodies, welcome back. As you guys know, I am working on spring decor, guys. It's all about spring right now. So I wanted to share with you guys a little haul, okay? So what triggered me to go shopping was, remember my round pillows that I showed you guys in my previous haul? And if you haven't, I'll go ahead and link that below. One of them broke. And so there, you know, as it broke, there's no repairs because it's kind of like a tufted kind of scenario where, you know, both ends are brought in, and I guess it popped, and I went and I had to return it, you guys. And so I was super upset, super sad, because I was like, I had like the perfect look on the pillows. I'm going pillow crazy, you guys. I don't even know what's going on with my head. I absolutely love accent pillows. Now I have to control myself a little bit, because remember, when they're not up, you have to store them, and I don't want to be storing a lot of things I'm not using. So I went to Ross to return the pillow, thinking that I was going to be able to just replace it, go back into the pillow section, and be able to buy at least, you know, one pillow. You guys, when I got there, I was so disappointed. They had none. Okay, so I was, you know, I was a little bit heartbroken about it. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try a couple other Rosses. You know, I have a couple in my area. And so I went to one of the main ones, and thinking, well, this is one of the larger Rosses, and it's next to, it's in a big shopping plaza, and it has, you know, home goods next to it, so these people are going to be on the ball, right? So I go there, and nothing. You guys, when I say nothing, I couldn't find the pillow. So I'm here thinking, man, I'm gonna have to go and return that other pillow that I have, because one pillow doesn't make sense. And so I went to like 4 different stores that day, but 2 of them were Ross's. So the next day I wake up and I'm feeling refreshed, because I was extremely tired from going to all the stores looking, you know, to buy things for my dining room, just looking to see if I can add any pieces anywhere else. And I'm literally not finding anything anywhere. I don't know if anybody else is having that issue, but man, I went to 4 different stores and I walked out with nothing, practically nothing. So that's not, I'm usually good at finding things, at least one item, you know, and I didn't find anything. So the next day, woke up fresh, and I went to the Ross that's a little bit closer to my house. They actually had the round pillows, but they were the wrong color. They were navy blue and white, and I believe they had like a mustardy yellow. And again, my heart sunk, because I really wanted to stick with the blush pink. And so as I'm shopping, I asked one of the employees, I said, do you guys have anything in the back area? And she said, well, you know, typical answer, no, there's nothing in the back, we bring everything out. So I'm like, okay, is there any other Rosses around here? So she starts naming the Rosses that I already went to, and all of a sudden she says, you know what, there's a new one in this location. And so when she told me that, I was like, really? I had no idea that that Ross was there. So I'm thinking, in my area, people are very much like me, I guess, so they're grabbing stuff, and it's very hard to find nice stuff. You really have to go early in the week, you have to go early in the day to actually find things, okay? If you're going at night, everything has been picked through. That's how bad this area is with decorating. I don't know, it's other people shopping, and I'm, you know, you can't get mad because I'm out there shopping as well. So I went to this Ross. Actually, I was gonna buy the white pillows, the white round pillows, and something like, it just didn't convince me. I kept looking at them. I'm like, yeah, it might go, because I have this white, you know, furry throw here. I'm like, well, yeah, maybe, you know. And my husband was like, yeah, you know, I like it. And I told him, but I really want that pink round pillow. So I'm gonna take a chance. where we were at in that Ross, there was a lot of white, there was a lot of the navy blue. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna take a chance and I'm gonna go to this other store where nobody knows yet. So they actually opened that Ross where that Anna's Linens location was at, and I was ecstatic. I was so happy. And I'm like, well, I'm gonna take a chance. You know, if I don't know about it, I have a feeling a lot of people don't know about it, because I'm pretty good at knowing what stores there are all around my area and even a little bit north and south of my area. So I went to this new Ross, walked in. In the beginning, I was looking around, I didn't see anything. I'm like, man, where's their home decor? They had like a lot of clothes. The layout was a lot different than the normal Rosses. And so I keep walking towards the back, and then finally I find the pillow section, you guys, and I'm walking through it and I don't see nothing, and I'm walking, I'm like, please God, just one. I just need one. I just want one. I want to find this one pillow. And my husband, poor thing, he's tired at this time. I haven't fed him, you know, so he was hungry, and I promised him, I told him, if we go to this Raw store, I'm gonna treat you to lunch. So he went with me, and he was so patient, poor thing. He was amazing. I gotta admit, he was amazing, super patient, and I can't ask for a better husband. So anyway, so I'm walking down the aisle and towards all the way to the back, and I didn't see anything. I'm here getting a little bit disappointed. All of a sudden, guys, I finally find the round pillow. Not only did I find one pink round pillow, I found two. So I'm super excited, you guys, because I only had two, but in this sectional I actually have 3 corners. I wanted to show you guys, just in case you didn't see my previous haul, this is it, you guys. And it has a beautiful tufting here, and again, the detail is just amazing. I actually feel like this adds a little bit of luxury to the look. I picked it up, again, $12.99 for these pillows, and when I found the second one, I was in heaven. By this point, you guys, I had gone to at least 8 stores, okay? Just to let you know my obsession, okay? Look at this. Woo, woo. All right, so not only did I find these round pink pillows, but then I found like a random gray pillow, round pillow. You guys, the obsession is real. It's definitely real, okay? Now, I bought this because I want to play around with what I have, and I really like the gray and pink combination. So let's see. If I don't use it, I'll just return it. It's not a big deal. But if I can fit it in somewhere, I'm gonna fit it in. I just absolutely love these round pillows. They're just gorgeous. So for my final pillow obsession, and yes, it's a lot of pillows. I'm talking about more than 10, 12 pillows. So I picked up this pillow, you guys. Look how beautiful. And it has beautiful little tassels on each corner, on all 4 corners. It's the blush pink, and then it has the gold metallic so it has a gold metallic geometric shape, which I love. They only had one, and I couldn't find it in the last Ross where I found these round pillows. I couldn't find another one like this, but I really like it. I'm even thinking of putting it on a chair, maybe like an accent chair, maybe in my daughter's room, but it's super cute, you guys, or even on my bed. So, I mean, don't tell my husband, right? I already have like 20 pillows on my bed. Anyways, I don't think that I am a shopaholic, you guys. What I like to do is try different things, and like I show you in all my videos, I usually do options, and then the best option I usually stay with. If I have extra items that I'm not going to use, I will return them. I will not stay with them. I will return them, and that's basically what I do. So when I saw this, I absolutely loved it. If I can fit it into my sofa, which I already have a lot of pillows, I will definitely fit it there. So, and then this one was $9.99, you guys. I thought it was super cute, and if I can find another one, you better believe I'm gonna pick it up. Last but not least, the last item that I picked up from Ross was this letterboard, you guys. I've been seeing this all over YouTube, and I see people putting the cutest quotes here, and so I picked this up for $9.99, which I thought it was a great deal. It includes 188 characters. You know, you can personalize it with your positive vibes, witty remarks, or inspirational quotes and more. So I'm definitely going to be using this for my spring decor, for Easter, for Mother's Day. I think I'm going to be putting it in my kitchen. To me, that's what makes sense, where I can look at it and see the quote that I have there just to get inspired on a daily basis. But it looks really nice, has a lot of letters. It has like a gray border. Let me see if you guys can pick that up. And then this background is black. That's it for Ross. Now moving on. Yeah, the obsession is real, guys. The obsession is real. Now I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this item. Obviously, they're candles. You guys know that by the bag. From White Barn. Some people call it White Barn, some people call it Bath and Body Works. I think the section of the candles is actually White Barn. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. And then the stuff for the body, the perfumes, that's the Bath and Body Works, even though they still do have candles in that section, at least in my store. So I saw this last time I went to exchange my other candles for the spring candles, and I came across this beautiful packaging, you guys. And I'm thinking, I see an algorithm happening here. I see the blues and the whites coming back, and I have a feeling for summer it's going to be something that's very in style. So if you guys have collected that in the past, I have not. I have never been into the blues and the whites, which I absolutely love those colors. Absolutely love those colors. I see those coming back as a trend for the summertime in 2019. Okay, so I had to go back and pick up these scents because they were amazing, you guys. It's a very light eucalyptus smell, but it kind of, I guess the rain hints more towards like a masculine perfume, but it's not overpowering. It's a very nice blend of the two, so it's very refreshing and it just smells very nice overall. And so this one, you guys, says it is aromatic eucalyptus, spearmint leaves, and fresh spring rain. So it's a very nice packaging. And so that was one, and then they had another one, you guys. Look at this. This is what I'm telling you. This looks like it's gonna be on trend. I'm seeing it everywhere. I definitely like it, you guys. Look at that nice cobalt blue. I know that blue has been in style for a couple years now, especially for my glam girls. A lot of girls are using the navies, you know, the dark ocean blues, and you know, there's just so much to it. But this is definitely my favorite one, you guys. And the name of this one is Midnight Blue Citrus. Everything about this candle reminds me of summer. It definitely has summer smell, so I'm super excited to bring it out once the spring season is over. And this one says it's juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. So you guys, if you can, go ahead and pick one of these up for your summer collection. And hopefully they have this packaging because this is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. If you are new here and are not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys. More spring inspired videos coming your way, so make sure that you guys are staying tuned. Okay, see you in the next video. Love you. Take care. Bye.